Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the TalkTune English podcast, where English becomes part of your daily.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to TalkTune English. I'm Lena. If you're trying to speak English more fluently, but still struggle, you're not alone. Speaking English can be very difficult. Maybe you're studying grammar. Maybe you're watching English videos. But when you try to speak, the words just don't come out easily. That's okay. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Emily and Paul.
Wow, Emily, it's great to be here again. How are you doing today? I'm feeling super excited for our topic.
I'm doing wonderful, Paul. Thanks for asking. And yes, me too. I think our listeners are going to love today's episode. It's about one of the most famous TV shows ever.
Ooh, I think I know. Is it Friends? Am I right?
You are absolutely right, Paul. Good job. We are going to talk about Friends today. And not just talk, but learn English with some of its most iconic phrases.
Yes, that's great. I love Friends. It's such a funny show, and the characters are amazing. I've watched it so many times.
Me too. It's a classic, and it's perfect for learning English because the conversations are very natural and the language is everyday English.
Exactly. Before we jump in, remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. And if you love Friends as much as we do, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.
Okay, Emily, where should we start? There are so many famous lines.
Let's start with a very, very famous one. It's said by Joey Tribbiani. Are you ready?
Oh, I think I know which one. Is it, how you doing? I tried to imitate Joey's voice.
Yes, exactly. That's the one. How you doing? It's Joey's pickup line.
It really is. It's so funny because he uses it to flirt with people, and it almost always works for him.
It does. So for our listeners, how you doing is a very informal way to say, how are you? Or, hello, how are you doing today?
Yes, but with a special flirty tone. You wouldn't use it with your boss, for example.
No, probably not. It's more for a casual situation or when you want to be a little bit charming, like Joey.
That's a great example. So, when you hear how you doin', think of Joey and his charming way.
Okay, Paul. How about another famous one? This one is from Ross Geller. It involves a sofa.
Oh, I know this one too. This is a really funny scene. Is it pivot, pivot, pivot?
You got it again, Paul. Pivot, pivot, pivot. This is from the episode where Ross, Chandler, and Rachel are trying to move a sofa up the stairs.
Yes, and Ross keeps yelling, pivot, because they need to turn the sofa. It's so chaotic and hilarious.
It is. So for our listeners, to pivot means to turn or rotate. Usually it means to turn on a central point.
And in the show, he says it very loudly and repeatedly. It's a great way to remember the word pivot.
Yes, you can use pivot in many situations. For example, a business might pivot its strategy, meaning they change direction.
Ah, so it's not just for moving furniture. Good to know. It can mean to change direction or focus.
Exactly. It's a verb. So next time you need to turn something or change your mind, think of Ross and pivot.
I definitely will. That scene is unforgettable.
So let's move to Monica Geller. She is very organized, right? And she says something often that shows this.
Monica! Oh, I love Monica. She's so neat. Does it have something to do with rules or cleaning?
You're on the right track. Think about her personality. She likes things to be in order.
Hmm. Is it something like, I know, but in a certain emphasis? Or clean up?
Close. It's more about being right. She often says, I know, but in a way that means, yes, I understand. I agree completely, and I was right all along.
Ah, yes. I remember now. It's more like a statement of agreement and self-affirmation. She says it like, I know, I told you.
Exactly. It's a common phrase, I know, but the way Monica says it, it has a special meaning. It's not just, I have knowledge, it's, I was right all along, or, yes, that's exactly what I thought.
So, when our listeners use I know, like Monica, it means they are agreeing strongly, or they predicted something.
Yes, it's a very natural way to show strong agreement or that you expected something to happen. It's a way to say, yes, I understand completely and agree.
That's super useful for everyday conversation. It adds a little bit of personality to your agreement.
Okay, how about Chandler Bing? He's famous for his sarcasm. He has a particular phrase he uses when he's making a sarcastic remark.
Oh, Chandler. Oh, he's my favorite. His jokes are the best. Is it related to his job, maybe, or something ironic?
Think about when someone says something very obvious and Chandler wants to make a joke about it. He might say, could this be any more ridiculous?
Yes. Could this be any more obvious? He always emphasizes the be.
You got it. For example, could this be any more obvious? Or could this be any more boring?
It's his signature. It's a rhetorical question. He doesn't really expect an answer. He's just making a point, often sarcastically.
Yes, exactly. It's a way to say that something is very much whatever adjective he uses. Could this be any more fun? Means this is not fun at all.
Ah, so it's used for emphasis, often to highlight the opposite of what is being said. That's very Chandler.
It is. So, our listeners can use this phrase when they want to be a little bit funny or sarcastic about something. Remember to emphasize the be.
That's a great tip. It really makes a difference in how it sounds.
Now, let's talk about Phoebe Buffay. She's very unique and has some funny songs, but she also has a very positive and simple way of looking at things.
Phoebe. She's so sweet and quirky. Is it one of her song lyrics? Maybe Smelly Cat?
Not exactly a song lyric, but a phrase she often says. It shows her optimism and perhaps a bit of her quirky logic. She sometimes says something like, "Oh, I wish I could, but I don't want to."
Huh, yes, she does. It's so direct and honest. Oh, I wish I could, but I don't want to.
Exactly. It's a very straightforward way to decline an invitation or a request. It's funny because it's so honest.
Most people would try to make an excuse, right? But Phoebe just says the truth, in her own way.
Yes, it's a very informal and slightly humorous way to say no. It shows that she values her own feelings.
So our listeners can use this phrase when they want to be a little bit funny or when they simply want to decline something honestly, in a lighthearted way.
Precisely. It's a great example of being polite but firm in a very Phoebe-like manner.
Okay, Emily, we've talked about Joey, Ross, Monica, Chandler, and Phoebe. What about Rachel Green? She has many memorable moments.
Oh, Rachel. Yes, she has a great one, especially from the earlier seasons when she's trying to figure out her life. Remember her famous phrase from the coffee shop?
The coffee shop. Central Perk. Is it about her job there? Something like, I'm just a waitress?
Close. It's more about her situation and her feeling a bit lost. She often says, "It's like I'm a shoe."
Oh, yes. It's like I'm a shoe or a hat or a purse. She uses it to explain how she feels stuck or without purpose.
Yes, exactly. When she says, "It's like I'm a shoe," she means she feels like an object, not a person with a meaningful life.
It's a great analogy for feeling lost or undervalued. She feels like she's just something someone uses and then puts away.
Perfect explanation, Paul. So, for our listeners, when someone says, "It's like I'm a blank," they might be expressing a feeling of being used or lacking purpose.
It's a very relatable feeling for many people, especially when they are starting out in life.
Yes, it is. It's a good phrase to understand when someone feels a bit insignificant or like they don't have control over their life. We've covered the main 6. That was fun. But Friends has so many other famous quotes.
It really does. How about the one about the break? Ross always says it. We were on a break.
Oh, yes, that's a classic. We were on a break. Ross says this repeatedly throughout the series to justify his actions with Rachel.
It's his excuse. He truly believes they were separated at that moment, so he did nothing wrong.
Exactly. So for our listeners, to be on a break means to temporarily separate from a relationship.
It's a very common phrase to use when talking about relationships. Are they still together or are they on a break?
Yes, it's an important concept in relationships. It means you're not officially together, but also not completely broken up. It's a gray area.
And for Ross, it's a very important gray area.
What about phrases related to their friendships? They are, after all, friends.
Yes, they always say, I'll be there for you, which is also the song.
That's true. "I'll be there for you" means I will support you. I will help you when you need me. It's a classic phrase of friendship.
It's a very warm and comforting phrase. It shows loyalty and care.
Yes, our listeners can use this with their friends and family to show support. "Don't worry, I'll be there for you."
It's a very beautiful phrase, very simple, very clear.
And when they are surprised or shocked, they often say, "Oh my God."
Oh, my God. Janice, Chandler's ex-girlfriend, says it like that, right?
Yes, you got Janice's voice perfectly, Paul. Oh my God is a very common expression of surprise, shock, or excitement.
It's used all the time in English, for good things and for bad things.
Exactly. Oh my God, that's amazing. Or, oh my God, I can't believe that happened.
It's a great phrase for our listeners to use when they want to show strong emotion quickly.
How about a phrase that shows agreement, but a strong one, like when Monica is making a point and someone completely agrees?
Oh, I think I know. Is it I know, but a different kind of I know?
Yes, this is more like, you are so right, or that's so true. It's often used with an exclamation.
Ah, yes. You are so right, or that's so true. They use it when someone says something very insightful.
Exactly. When someone says something and it just clicks for you, you can say, you are so right, or that's so true.
It's a great way to validate someone's point and show that you completely agree.
Okay, Paul, one more friends phrase that's very common in everyday English. When something is very good or perfect.
Something perfect. Like, it's perfect. Or, fantastic.
Think about food. Monica is a chef, right? What might she say if a dish is absolutely perfect?
Oh, it's a 10. Or maybe, this is the best.
You're close. It's something that means it's flawless, no mistakes. Like, this is on point.
Ah, on point. Yes, they use that. That outfit is on point. Or that food is on point.
Yes, on point means excellent, perfect, or exactly right. It's very common today.
So if something is perfect, our listeners can say it's on point. That's a great phrase to add to their vocabulary.
Absolutely. It makes you sound very natural. Wow, Paul, we've talked about so many great phrases from friends. It's such a fun way to learn English.
It really is, Emily, and it helps to remember the phrases because you associate them with funny scenes and characters.
Yes, exactly. The context helps a lot. And Friends is full of everyday conversations, which is perfect for A1 level learners.
We hope our listeners enjoyed this episode and learned some new phrases.
We really do. Remember to keep practicing English every day. Watch shows like Friends and try to catch these phrases.
And don't forget to like this video.
Subscribe so you never miss a lesson. Come back and practice with me anytime. And remember, you are never too late, too old, or too shy to speak English. Well, you've already started. That's the hardest part. Now, just keep going one phrase at a time. This is TalkTune English. I'm Lena, and I want to thank you for spending this time with me. Keep listening, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep connecting. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it real, keep it TalkTune English. Goodbye for now.